Hi, I'm Leon. In this video, I'll show you how to use Curiosity for calendars. You can use Curiosity to combine several calendars in one place, to quickly jump into events, and to find events, either directly or via people. Let's have a look at how that works. In the Curiosity app, you can find the calendars in the left sidebar. To connect a new calendar, click on the plus sign and select whether you want a Google Calendar or an Outlook one. Click Connect. Then you'll need to sign into your account. Remember to check the boxes and click Continue, and that's it. Now your calendar is connected and will synchronize into the Curiosity app. You can click on it to see it. It might take a moment to all synchronize across, and you can see that that's happening with the spinning icon in the top right. Slowly though, things should start to appear, and you can select whether you want to show all of your calendars or just some of them in case you have several. You can also select whether you want to see your calendar in a day view, week view, month view, or as a list. I usually use the week view myself. So that's how you can combine one or several calendars into Curiosity so you can see them all at once. Next, let's look at how to open meetings. When you open the Curiosity command bar, you'll see your upcoming events, and if they have a video call attached to them, you can just select them with the arrow keys and hit Enter. That will automatically open your meeting and you can jump right in, which is really useful, especially if you're running late. Finally, let's look at how you can find events. There are two ways to do that. The first way is to type events and then hit Tab to filter for events. Now you can just search for an event the same way you would for anything else. To do more with that event, you can hit Tab, for example, to forward it or to open it in your calendar application to then edit it. The second way to look for an event is via a person, in case you can't remember when the event was exactly or what it was called. So what I've done here is I've filtered and looked for William as a person, and you can see all of the emails we've exchanged, and importantly also all of the events. And so you can click on an event to find it, to open it, and to get more details. So that was a quick overview of how you can use Curiosity to combine several calendars in one place for a better overview, to quickly jump into events, and to find an event in the past or in the future using the command bar. I hope that gets you started. Have fun searching.